Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Let's solve some multi-step inequalities. Let's talk about solving multi-step inequalities. We use the same steps as if we were solving an equation. Distribute, combine any like terms, undo addition or subtraction, undo multiplication or division. Remember to watch out for multiplying or dividing by a negative, and then we would change the direction of the inequality sign. So let's take a look. Here I see I have parentheses, so I'm going to start by distributing 3 times m. I notice I don't have a number in front of m, so I'm going to make my invisible math visible. Now I know I'm multiplying 3 times 1 to get 3m. Then I'm also going to distribute the 3 to the negative 2. So that gives me negative 6. All the other pieces drop down. Now I notice that I have some like terms. I have 3m and I have negative 6m. It's important to include your signs when you are talking about combining like terms. So those give me negative 3m. Everything else drops down. Now we're going to undo addition or subtraction. I notice I have a minus 6, so we're going to undo it with a plus 6. Negative 3m is greater than 27. And lastly, we have multiplication, so I'm going to undo that multiplication by dividing by the negative. Watch out. We divided by a negative, so flip that inequality sign. This is going to give me negative 9, and then we have m. If we wanted to graph it, we would start by putting the negative 9 in the middle. We have an open circle since the inequality sign does not have the bar underneath. And this says m is smaller than negative 9. Smaller numbers are always to the left. And that's how you solve a multi-step inequality. This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.